everyone and welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today I am going to show you how to make a super cute Play-Doh bingo. Doesn't he look gorgeous? So for this you're going to need white Play-Doh, black Play-Doh, light brown Play-Doh, dark brown Play-Doh, a rolling pin, 2 toothpicks and a Play-Doh knife. So let's start off with the white Play-Doh. Set some of it aside, we're going to use that later. Now we're going to make the body out of the bulk of the Play-Doh. We want to make it into this shape, and then we're going to use our Play-Doh knife to cut the 2 front legs in half. It looks a bit like a tooth, but this is actually Bingo's body. Mold it until you're happy with the shape. Cut off any excess so that his paws aren't too big. Now we're going to make his back legs. We want to take some of the excess white Play-Doh and mold it into a shape that looks kind of like a teardrop. We're then going to stick it on the side, like so. Don't forget to do his other back leg. Perfect! Now we're going to take our light brown Play-Doh and roll it flat. We're going to make some spots for Bingo, so use your knife to cut some different shapes out. Now's the time to get creative. What different shape spots does your Bingo have? I'm using dark brown Play-Doh to add some more spots. Don't forget, your Bingo can be whatever colour you want him to be. Now it's time to add Bingo's head. We want to roll it into a pear shape. Don't forget to decorate his head with some spots too. I'm using light brown. I'm also making a patch around his eye using dark brown Play-Doh. I'm using some white Play-Doh to make his eyes. And then I'm using black Play-Doh to add detail. Don't forget to add his nose. My Bingo has a black nose. We want to attach the head to the body using one of the toothpicks. Nearly done. Of course, we need to add some ears. I'm using some white Play-Doh to do this. One of his ears is going to have some spots. Finally, we have to make his tail. I'm adding some brown spots to his tail as well. Now I'm using a toothpick to secure the tail. I don't need it to be too long, so I'm breaking the toothpick in half. And there you have it! A wonderful Play-Doh bingo. Super cute! Today I'm going to show you how to make a super cute Play-Doh Patrick from SpongeBob SquarePants. Doesn't he look great? It's super easy. For this you're going to need some pink Play-Doh, green Play-Doh, some purple Play-Doh, a Play-Doh rolling pin, some white Play-Doh, a Play-Doh knife, and finally, some black Play-Doh. So let's get started. The first thing we want to do is to take the bulk of the pink Play-Doh. We need to get Patrick's body. We want to make it into a cone shape. It kind of looks a bit like a witch's hat, doesn't it? Perfect. Set that aside, and now take your green Play-Doh. We want to roll it flat. This is going to be Patrick's shorts. Cut a section and then roll it around the bottom of our witch's hat shape, or Patrick's body. Get rid of any excess and smooth down the edges. Now it kind of looks like an upside down ice cream cone. We want to add purple detail to the green shorts, so use your rolling pin to roll it flat. Patrick has got really distinct purple shapes on his board shorts, so cut that out using the knife. And then stick it on. Now it's time to take the pink Play-Doh and make Patrick's legs. We want to make the same shape as before, but a little bit smaller. Remember, he's a starfish after all. We want to make sure it looks like they're attached, so we're going to add some green too. This will make it look like it's the bottom of his shorts. See? Sit him on top. Now we need to add some more detail to his shorts using the purple Play-Doh. Looking good. Now we need to add some detail. We're going to make the eyes out of white Play-Doh, of course. Don't forget to use the black Play-Doh to add 2 tiny dots. This means that Patrick can see. We're also going to take a really thin bit of the black Play-Doh to add some eyebrows. It's all coming together now. I'm using my Play-Doh knife to create a groove. This is his mouth. He's almost complete, but Patrick doesn't have any arms at the moment, so we need to use the pink Play-Doh to create them. And there you have it. He's done. Doesn't he look great? A Play-Doh Patrick from SpongeBob SquarePants. So thank you so much for watching HooplaKidz How To, everyone. If you have enjoyed this video, please do let us know in the comment box below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel above, and we will see you again next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!